What's up, campers? Today we're gonna try these jumbo turkey franks from JammaJohn.
I got a trail mix here, but I got another stomach for some turkey burger.
We're gonna have some chili, cheese, turkey franks with natural smoke flavoring. So we'll see how it goes. We're gonna get these going, and we'll give a little review of what we think about them.
So, wait, I have to rewind there.
Alright. You guys like smoothies? Smoothies? I'm trying to film and you're getting a phone call. Smoothies. So yeah, just so everybody knows, for a while we were here without Johnny's computer, so we were having to do everything with the iPhone and iPad. So that's why we didn't have too many videos coming out, and the videos were pretty basic in their editing. But we're hoping to have some more fun here now that we got a computer. Let's see if that water's boiling yet. It's getting close. Smoothie. Alright, it's definitely time to drop the dogs. JammaJohn, turkey dog. Nice and healthy. We'll see how they taste. Just there, pour all that hot dog water in there. Hot dog flavored water.
Chocolate starfish.
Alright, so while these doggies are boiling up, I thought I'd make a little, sweet potato healthy snack. So, what you gotta do? Just give a couple chops. They don't gotta be perfect, man. Try to get them nice and thin. Chop them up, chop them up. Chop those taters and try and get them real nice and thin. I don't want my water to boil over here. Gotta be careful with that. Get them nice and thin. You want to make little chips almost. And all you gotta do, once you get these chopped up, throw these little babies in the oven or toaster oven, whatever you got available. Set it to a nice temperature. If I'm gonna go in the toaster oven, I'll probably put it at 450 for, I don't know, around 10 minutes. A little bit less. Check on them, make sure. You don't want to burn them. You gotta be careful with that, but you want it to be nice and crispy if you can. And then just a little salt and pepper. They don't need nothing. Don't need no added stuff. You can have a nice little healthy snack for my turkey chili cheese dog, and side of some nice little sweet potatoes. That's good. So, get your little rack tinfoil. You don't even need to put no butter or nothing. They shouldn't stick to the foil. You want to just line them up. For the best results, you want to cut them evenly, but if you don't really care, it don't matter. But if you want them all to be the same texture, all crunchy, crispy, you want to cut them all thin. Have the same thickness for each one. But I don't really give a fuck. I'll just get them cut decent. And then pop these puppies in the toaster oven for a few. Wow, 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 wow. Just like that. Turn that bastard on. It's definitely smelling like hot dogs here at the campsite right now. We got these bad boys boiling up. Wait till they get nice and juicy. And then we'll make some chili cheese dogs. Gotta heat up chili. And be ready for action. So we're gonna get this. We picked up a can of this Great Value hot dog chili sauce. It was only 49 cents at Great Value at Walmart. We got triple cheddar, which is a blend of mild cheddar, sharp cheddar, and Vermont, white cheddar. And then we got a little classic Kobe Jack, you know, a blend of Kobe and Monterey Jack. Oh, that shit ramen, you know how that goes. Let's see how these doggies are. Ooh, it's bubbling. It's bubbling. Looking for you guys, man. What's the difference between a salsa that says medium and a salsa that says mild on it? Which one? Is medium's hotter? I think medium's the hotter one. What do you think, John?
I think mild would be the hotter one.
Why? I don't understand. What's the difference? I don't even know what the difference is.
Well, I mean, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I mean,
should we do a taste test?
Maybe.
Alright.
Might as well. Fuck it.
Hold on. Let me get out the mouth.
Oh my god, we have so much food. It's great.
You love it?
Smoothies, chips, salsa, sweet potato chips.
You're gonna eat this whole watermelon? Oh god, you hear that?
Yep.
Alright, hold on. We'll be right back. Alright, so I'm gonna load up a chip with one of these. Give it to Johnny. Then I'm gonna load up another chip. Let me get a plate actually. Load up 2 chips. We'll see if he can tell which one is which, and then he'll tell me which one he thinks is the spicier one. So, let me get in here and get this chip's too small. 2 real good chips here. See that? Alright, so you guys can know which one's which. This one, we're going to get a scoop. Put it right on there. Put a good amount so he can test it out. Okay. Next up, see that? Okay. Give it a little stir up, you know. Okay. So this one is this guy. This one is this guy. Alright.
Alright.
Don't turn the plate, because then I'll forget which one's which. Can you tell which one it is?
That one didn't even taste spicy at all. That one's got a little kick to it.
So they taste different.
Yeah, absolutely.
Which one was hotter?
That one.
Medium.
Really?
Yeah.
Mild was sweeter.
Okay.
It was definitely a lot sweeter.
Now that you know what they are, now come try them and see if it makes a difference when it's not blind taste test. This one is your mild and this one's your medium. So now that you can know which ones are which, see if there's any difference.
Yeah, that one's still spicy. Not too spicy.
A medium amount of spiciness.
Medium.
They didn't have any hot ones
Right.
at the store. We had the corn and black bean. That was really good.
Yeah.
So which one would you buy?
Well, I always like hotter stuff, so
You're a medium man?
medium man, not a mild boy.
All right, so now we figured it out, man. See, I knew medium was the hotter one. I just knew it. Looks like our dogs are ready. Let's check in on these puppies. These still need some time to get crispy. All right. All right, time to put together these doggies. So we got our chili. We got our doggies, turkey dogs, Jenny O. Try not to spill too much chili here. Chili. You want to get a good amount of chili on it. Chili. Alright. So now we're going to cheese these puppies up. We're going to do a little bit, we'll do one with each different type of cheese. So this one is that Kobe Jack. Hold me back from Kobe Jack. Now we'll do a little triple cheddar. Make everything just a little bit better. Look at those doggies. Oh shit. Don't want to mix the cheeses up too much. Alright, so we're still waiting on those sweet potato chips, but let's see how Johnny reacts to this. Oh, yeah. You're gonna need some napkins with that one, huh? No? What, have you lost it? You lost your mind, 'cause I helped you find it.
Boy, have you lost your mind?
Look at that. He's losing cheese. You want any ketchup or anything, or you just do the chili cheese? No mustard or anything? Can you tell the difference in the cheeses? What do you think you just bought? Or what do you think you just bit into?
If I had to guess, it'd be the Kojak.
Try the other one.
I didn't even honestly know that there was a difference.
One's triple cheddar and one's Kobe Jack. I think a little bit of the cheddar might have spilled over.
So the first one was the triple cheddar then?
Oh! How do you know? You could tell?
Because you just said it.
What do you mean?
You just said the cheddar spilled onto that one.
I said the cheddar might have spilled over. I'm not positive.
I thought you said the cheddar spilled.
Do they taste the same?
One. Yeah, kinda.
What a ripoff. They're good?
Still kind of hot, but
well, there's your chili cheese dog. So you gotta review. What do you think about the turkey dog, man?
it's really good. I mean,
Tastes just like a regular dog.
Yeah,
Or what?
it's a lot. I mean, it's healthier than a hot dog. And I mean, I can't really tell the difference, especially when you put chili and cheese on top of it too. That
And what
always
about
helps.
the Great Value chili?
It's actually really good.
Hot dog chili sauce,
Yep.
49 cents. So you're happy? You just a little disappointed in the cheeses?
If anything, yeah. Yeah, that definitely looks like Kojak right there.
See, it's hard to tell the difference because the triple cheddar has white cheddar in it.
Yeah.
So it's like it's hard to tell the difference. But the Jack should have a little bit of spice to it, shouldn't it? Doesn't
think.
You're gonna put some medium salsa on the top.
Make it even spicy.
You don't want a salsa dog? Alright, let's see if these puppies is almost done. They're feeling pretty good. I'm gonna give them give them like another give them like another minute, and we'll have some sweet potatoes. Alright, let's see if we can't get these puppies out of there. Gonna need a little oven mitt. Check them. What up? Those should be decent. Ting. All right. Now we gotta get these bastards on a plate. Put a little salt and pea on them. Not pea on them, but pepper. I mean, you could. I don't know what you guys are into. If you like the taste. I don't. It's probably 0 calories, so you could pee on them and still be healthy, I guess. All right. Let's get this. Pepper. You put whatever you want on them, though, I guess. Cumin, cayenne pepper, I mean, whatever the hell you want. Onion powder, chili powder. I just go for a little salt and pea. Salt and pea. That's all you need. And shake them up, shake them up, shake them up, shake them up. We'll see if Johnny likes these. No, those just came out. They hot? They're not even hot?
Well, they're warm, but they're not like too hot. But I mean, they're good. They're really good. Delicioso. You can see the steam coming out of it, but it's not like fire or anything.
What's a 1 out of 10 on your dog? Jenny O Turkey Franks.
You give it a 7.
7 out of 10. What's the best dog you ever had?
Well, there used to be a place out here called Big Daddy's Dogs. That was pretty good.
You had the fried dogs there, huh?
Yeah, fried. They do fried. I had steamed as well. That was pretty good. But I mean, even though they're expensive, you know, Chicago dogs at a ballpark or at a football game and stuff is always delicious.
What was your favorite?
Oh yeah, Chicago dogs out of this world.
All right. Now I got my dog. I put a little mustard on my dog, but I got my dog in this fight now. We'll see how it goes. Give it a bite. It's pretty good. I'd say probably the 7 out of 10 is probably a good one. Maybe a 6, 7. The turkey dog tastes fine. To be honest, I think it's probably the chili it's okay, but it's not that great. Right. I've had way better chili, I think, If it had better chili, I think it would taste better. Well, I'd say a 6 or a 7 is probably fair. But not bad. Still a mess. Just like every chili dog. Oh shit. The chili dog was going down, so I saved that. And then there goes. So try some of these taters. Oh yeah. They're basically cold. They cool off so fast, which I mean that's a good thing, but
That's what I'm saying, man.
those are the snack right there. If you're trying to cut back your chips and shit like that, reach for the sweet potatoes. Even if you don't like sweet potatoes, like, oh, I had it at Thanksgiving with the marshmallows. I didn't like that shit. Let's just slice it up into little thin slices and bake it. It tastes way better than that bullshit they feed you at Thanksgiving. It was way better for you. No added shit, no butter, none of that bullshit. Just a little salt and pea. And it's good, man. It's real good. And it's not bad for you at all. So, I think that's going to be about it for this little vlog at the campsite today. We had chili dogs, some chips and salsa, some sweet tater, and smoothies. So
many smoothies.
I guess that's gonna be it for today. We'll be hopefully posting a lot more content when we get some free time, especially. But expect more streams from JammaJohn. He's streaming almost every day on Twitch. What's your link?
JammaJohn 13.
Go on Twitch/JammaJohn13. You can watch him. Otherwise, we've been posting the streams as well on YouTube. So if you want to watch it live, go on to Twitch. If not, it'll be up on YouTube afterwards. We got lots of good stuff coming. Stay tuned. Stay in tune. And we'll be back.